Okay, last part. Alright, so niluag ug niluag ang paggunit ni Petra kang luning hangtod nakabuhi ang balangaw nga mariposa. So for this sentence, it's niluag. Niluag, luag means loose. You can also mean to say like loose as in there weren't that many passengers on a flight, so it was a loose flight. Um, Loose as in like you're holding something and you loosen up. It's not tight anymore. Something got loose, and that's what it's talking about in this case. Niluag ug niluag ang paggunit ni Petra. So loosened and loosened is the holding of Petra, right? And we already talked about paggunit, which means to hold of Petra. Kang lunig, to luning. Kang luning hangtud means until nakabuhi ang balangaw nga mariposa. Until buhi meaning to be vivid or lively, right? Until until the butterfly, the rainbow butterfly became lively and vivid, right? So it loosened until the butterfly became free and vivid, right? Malipayon nga nagpasalamat si Luning sa mga nagluwas kanya. So malipayon. So happily that she gave thanks. Nagpasalamat means to thank, right? So Luning thanked sa mga nagluwas kanya. Luning thanked those who saved her, who saved her, right? From sa mga nagluwas kanya, to those who saved her, or for the saving of her, right? Because luwas means to rescue or save, to her kanya. Salamat sa inyong gibuhat sa ako ang mga higala. Thank you for your doing to me. Okay, so thank you for all you're doing to me, my friends. And higala means friends, mga higala, right? Look at this though. Sa ako means to me. This is an ergative. It's a type of like ergative. I guess you can say like obliquish ergative kind of gray area. And I guess I can talk about that in another future video somewhere down the line, right? Sa ako maulawon pa niyang gisugilon sa tulo ka mga mariposa, right? So she says pretty much, thank you for what you did to me, my friends. Maulawon means to be kind of embarrassed or humbled down, I guess. Embarrassed. Humility is the better word. So ulaw is the root word meaning humility or having humility or modesty, or like you're shy, kind of like that. Like, oh, someone offers you food and you're like, oh, no thanks. I don't want to seem like I'm out there and greedy, and getting food or something like that. Then you're considered ulaw, something like that. Or you're at someone's place, you're at a friend's place, and they offer you something, and you're like, oh, I'm too shy, and I'm too shy, and I don't want to seem like I'm greedy or to get something, right? That's what ulaw means, right? Maulawon. So maulawon pa niyang gisugilon sa tulo ka mga mariposa. So she had humility in her story. Sugilon, right? Sugilon is like kind of like a story. Sugilanon is kind of like a story or some sort of like your humbled story, right? In this case, right? Your little mini story that you're telling, right? Or a tale, like a little tale. Sugilanon, right? Sugilon sa tulo ka mariposa, to the three butterflies. Sus, walay sapayan kanimo. Sus is short for Jesus. It's more like Jesus. It's no problem. Gosh, it's no problem. Sulti sa pulang nga mariposa, says the red butterfly. Manakigala na ba kita sukad karon? Will we become friends now after what happened? Now, like after now? Malipayong pangutana sa puti nga mariposa happily asks the white butterfly. Oo, managigala na kita sukad karon. Yes, we will become friends after what happened. Now, tubag ni Luning, answered Luning. Yay! Sige, dali na. Magdulat na ta. Yay, come on, hurry now. Let's play. Or we will play now. Ingon ang itom nga mariposa, says the black butterfly. Nagkinasabot ang upat ka mga mga mariposa nga magkuyog sila sa paglupad. So, magkinasabot means like to become in understanding together. So they became in an understanding together, the four butterflies that magkuyog, meaning to be together, to be close by. Kuyog is the root word here. And kuyog, another synonym that you can use that's really popular is uban or apil, right? Kuyog, uban, or apil means to come together, to join together, to be like in a group of friends, kind of like that kind of deal, right? Magkuyog sila sa paglupad. So they join together in their flights, right? In flying. Sukad niyato. So after what happened, after all of this, right? Niyato, or after going what happened after, dili na mahipitas-on. I think I misspelled this one. Yeah, Mapahitas-on. Yeah, I missed out the I. So dili na mapahitas-on si Luning. So Luning is no longer haughty or arrogant, you know. Yeah, so she's no longer like looking high or feeling high and mighty, right? Malipayon na siyang, so happily now she is. Malipayon na siyang magkikigala sa tanang insekto sa sa matahom nga hardin nga iyang gipuy-an, right? So she happily became friends with all the insects in the beautiful garden, matahom nga hardin, right? Hardin is garden. It's a borrowed Spanish word, jardín, for garden. So she became friends with all the insects in the beautiful garden where she lives. Where she lives. So nga iyang gipuy-an. All right, so last but not least, let's go ahead and read this like it's a story. All right. Niluag ug niluag ang paggunit ni Petra kang Luning hangtod nakabuhi ang balangaw nga mariposa. Malipayon nga nagpasalamat si Luning sa mga luwas kaniya. Salamat sa inyong gibuhat sa ako mga higala. Maulawon pa niyang gisugilon sa tulo ka mga mariposa. Sus, walay sapayan kanimo, sulti pa sa pula nga mariposa. Managhigala na ba kita sukad karon? Malipayong pangutana sa puti nga mariposa. Oo, managhigala na kita sukad karon, tubag ni Luning. Yehey, sige, dali na. Magdulat na ta, ingon ang itom nga mariposa. Nagkinasabot ang upat nga mariposa nga magkuyog sila sa paglupad. Sukad niadto, dili na mapahitas-on si Luning. Malipayon na siyang makikigala sa tanang insekto sa matahom nga hardin nga iyang gipuy-an.